Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you guys special things for Christmas. So guys can see this is chicken. You guys can see before Christmas this one is rich for eating. So guys can see here is chicken. We have turkey here. So order and you'll be served. Order now. We have plenty of them. This one is coming up. The one that is ready is big, that you want it today is here. See some in the ground. You can see. So let's go to another side. Wow, you guys can see this one is ready. You can order, place your order, they will supply you. This one is ready. You cannot even hold it in the hand because it's very big. It's very big. See their water and their food they hang. And see here is turkey. Wow, I'm afraid though. See how he's looking at me. Wow. This is turkey. Very big. Place your order. Place your order. I'll send the address, the phone number to you, and you buy your turkey, your chicken for Christmas. So guys can see this one, the past goat. So guys can see this one like that for ground. Look at this one. This man turkey, the other one is female one. I show you guys that one. That one is female one. And this chicken, we have local chicken again. If you don't want agri chicken, you can go for local chicken. This is special concrete. This chicken is very stubborn. Very stubborn. You can see, and the meat is very sweet. This is special concrete. It is local chicken. Oh. But you can see the color. Very beautiful. The color is beautiful. You can see. Wow. Please place your order for Christmas before it's too late. Before people will come and pack it finish. People have already ordered it. See it under here. You can see this is local one. You can see. So place your order. Place your order before it's too late. I'll send the address, the phone number to you. Place your order. I will sell it very cheap for you. The market. See, all this one is local chicken. No, local chicken is very sweet. You can see this chicken is stubborn. Special concrete. You can see the color. I love the color, but they are stubborn. See their water, their food, everything is there. And we still have small one that is coming up. Let me show you guys. Wow, you can see the small one that is coming up. This is local chicken too. It's coming up. Before you know, the next 1 month, 2 months, you will not know it again. See it. Wow. So please place your order. Place your order now before it's too late. This turkey, you are enjoying it too. Place the order. Can see how they do it. Run. Wow. Can see? Place your order. Their food is here. Can see? Their food, their medicine, everything is here. And see? This turkey, this one is female one. The other one is male. So, and see? Place your order now before it's too late. Place it. So guys, I've shown you guys the Christmas things that you get for your family. Please, I'm waiting for your order and your this thing. I will locate you. I will send your address and the phone number. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment and share. We see again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.